Dear students, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. How are you? Okay, that's very good. In our previous class, we have done change the voice of three tenses. First is present indefinite tense, second is past indefinite tense, and the third is future indefinite tense. In our today's class, we will do the next part of change the voice. So, our next tense is present indefinite tense. We have already done. So today we will start from present continuous tense. So students, can you tell me what is the indication of present continuous tense? Yes, very good. Subject is, am, are according to singular or plural. V1 plus ing. Then object. Yes. This is the indication of present continuous tense. I mean to say, जब कोई काम continuously हो रहा हो, then we call it present continuous tense. Here is the example of he is writing a letter. So इसमें कोई काम फिनिश नहीं हुआ स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट काम जो है वो हो रहा है. He is writing a letter. In passive voice, what is the rule of it? We will make use of is, am, are. We have already it in our active form. With this, we will make use of being. Be plus ing. Then past participle with by. He is writing a letter. Then subject. Which is the subject of present continuous tense? He. It is the subject and it is the object. And this is the B1 and it is helping verb. So, in passive voice, we will write like this. A letter, singular. Then is being. Why we will put here being? Because in active form there is ing with V1. We will remove it from here and add it with be, being. Then B3, write, wrote, written. A letter is being written by him. Is it clear, students? Yes, very good. So, our next tense is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means what is the indication of this tense? Yes, subject plus was were as a helping verb, B1 plus ing, and then object. This is the important part of past continuous tense. So, what will we use for passive voice? Yes, was, were plus being, then past participle and then by. Yes, here is the example. He was not writing a letter. This sentence is in negative form. What will the answer of this sentence? Answer is same like present continuous. The minor change, which is helping verb. In past continuous we will make use of was verb, and in present continuous we will make use of is, am, are according to singular or plural. Then what is the answer? A letter. Then singular. Then we will make use of was. A letter was being, a letter was, here is not. A letter was not being. If there is any negative form, then we will put it between helping verb and a letter was not being, B3, written. Written by him. Is it simple? Yes, a letter was not being written by him. Have you understood, student? Okay, good. Our next tense is future continuous tense. No, the future continuous tense has no active or passive voice. So we cannot make use of future continuous tense as change the voice. So here is present perfect tense. Now what is the indication of present perfect tense? मतलब जिसमें काम just finished. Indication? Yes. Subject. Then has have के साथ क्या लगता है? Yes, always B3 past participle. Then object. Students, don't make use of B1 or B2 with has have. With has have, we only can make use of B3 past participle. In passive voice, we will make use of has, have, plus been, plus B3, and then by. Here is the example. He has done his duty. Is it clear, students? He has done his duty. Here is helping verb has because he is singular, and with has I make use of done, B3. So what is its passive voice? His duty has been done by him. Yes, very good. Is it clear, students? In previous lecture, we have read about present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite tense. But in today's lecture, we make use of present continuous, past continuous tense. There is a little bit difference of helping verbs is, am, are and was, were. So keep this fact in your mind. Got it? Very good. Now our next tense is past perfect tense. Yes, past perfect tense. What is the indication of past perfect tense? Yes, subject, had, be3 and object. It does not matter if the subject is singular or plural. Had will be used with both of them. So, it is very simple, and in passive voice we will write had been plus be3 then by. Here is example. He had eaten his food. Got it? Okay. He, singular. I make use of had. So it does not matter the subject is in singular form or in plural form. So the answer of in passive form is like this. His food had been eaten by him. Students, have you noticed that in past indefinite, past continuous, present indefinite, present continuous and future indefinite tense, in those tenses you have to find out the third form, the past participle of verb. Okay, but it is very easy in perfect tenses because the past participle is already used in these tenses. So you have to only put been and just only replace the subject and object. It is very easy. You can easily do it. Okay? Got my point? Very good. And the next is future perfect tense. Now, what is the indication of future indefinite tense? Yes. First of all, we will make use of subject, then will, have, shall, have, past participle and object. Is it clear? In future perfect tense, we will make use of subject with will have or shall have and past participle and object. And what is the rule in for passive voice? Will, have, been, shall, have, been plus be3, which is already used in active form also. Then preposition by. Example is the gardener will have watered the plants. In passive form, how can we write it? Then, first of all, we make use of active voice. Voice is object here as a subject. The plants. Here, the gardener is single one. Then we make use of, then in the question form there is will have. And in answer in passive voice, we will look at our own subject. So it is in plural form, then we will make use of shall have. The plants shall have been watered by the gardener. Is it okay, students? Have you understood? Let me revise it once again. In past perfect tense and future perfect tense and present perfect tense, there is a use of been. Has been, have been, had been, will have been, shall have been. Past participle is already in active form. Then we will make use of by preposition. As I told you in previous class that there are many other prepositions which are used with specific words. And most use is of by preposition. Here is an example of different preposition that like this. I have known him. Okay, I have known him. Then what is the answer of it? He has been known to me. Here we will make use of to preposition, not by, because known is the specific word which is the preposition to is always used with no, new, known. So he has been known to me. So have you understood it? Okay. In this is the active and passive voice of tenses. In our next class, we will do imperative sentences and sentences related to modals. You will do the exercise of these tenses, and because practice makes a man perfect. Thanks. Have a nice day.